Welcome! In front of me I have MOBVOI TicWatch C2 Plus, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the upper or the lower button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the battery icon. This is the power saving mode icon. If you want to enable the mode, tap on this icon, scroll down and tap on the check mark to confirm. The mode will be enabled, and that's how it looks like. Basically you have access to the time, date and the battery level, and that's about it. Rest is turned off for now. And if you want to turn off the power saving mode, you need to press the upper button. Sometimes you need to press it twice. Once you see this on the screen, tap on the check mark to confirm, and the mode will be disabled and you will go back to the normal watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.